How to upload photos in Google Drive. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to upload photos on Google Drive. So to do this procedure, you just have to follow these steps. First thing, open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in drive.google.com and log in into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to look something like this. Now what you need to do is, first of all, you have to create a folder. For that, click on the plus icon from the top left hand side bar. Go to new folder from a drop down menu and give a title to your folder. And press the create button. Now that the folder has been created, what next you need to do is you have to go ahead and double press on it. When you double click on it, there you should be able to see that the file or the folder is empty. Now press the new button once again, and instead of new folder, press on file upload. When you actually press on file upload, you can access your file or folder. So let's say I'm going to go with this one. I'm just going to go with this one. So I'm going to select it and click on the open button. Now that you can see at the bottom that the file is being uploaded or the photo is being uploaded. So this is how you can go ahead and upload photo on Google Drive. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.